The cannot expand folder error primarily stems from data integrity issues in Outlook's data files, specifically personal storage table or PST files for local storage, and offline storage table or OST files for cached exchange data. File corruption is a common culprit, occurring when PST or OST files become damaged due to abrupt shutdowns, malware infections, or oversized attachments. Synchronization problems arise from conflicts between local data and server data, especially in hybrid environments where Outlook tries to sync with Exchange Online. Corrupted Outlook profiles or interfering add-ins can prevent folders from expanding, requiring profile rebuilding or add-in disabling. Finally, resource constraints like low disk space, network instability, or outdated software can trigger the error by hindering Outlook's ability to access data files. Microsoft has released key updates to Outlook in 2026, particularly in version 16.0.17628, part of the Office 365 monthly channel. This update features an enhanced repair tool for PST and OST files that uses machine learning to scan for corruption and automatically rebuild affected folders. Additionally, the new Outlook for Windows has incorporated AI-driven diagnostics that proactively detect and suggest fixes for folder expansion errors, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. PST and OST files are crucial components in Microsoft Outlook that handle email storage and synchronization. PST files store your Outlook data locally on your computer. They contain emails, contacts, calendar items, and other personal information, allowing you to work offline and archive important messages. OST files cache your Exchange server data locally, enabling offline access to your emails while maintaining synchronization with the server when online. When PST or OST files become corrupted due to factors like abrupt shutdowns, malware, or resource issues, they can trigger the cannot expand folder error, making folders inaccessible. Resource constraints like insufficient disk space or an unstable network connection can contribute to Outlook's folder expansion errors. Let's explore these factors. First, disk space is crucial. Outlook uses PST files for local storage and OST files for cached data. When disk space runs low, these files can't be properly maintained, leading to corruption and errors. Second, network stability matters. Outlook synchronizes with Exchange servers online. An unstable connection can interrupt this process, causing synchronization failures that manifest as folder expansion problems. To prevent these issues, regularly check your disk space, maintain a stable internet connection, and free up space by removing unnecessary files. The Inbox Repair tool, known as scanpst.exe, is Microsoft's built-in utility designed specifically for repairing corrupted personal storage table files, or PST files. These files store your Outlook emails, contacts, and calendar data locally on your computer. To use the tool, first locate scanpst.exe in your Office installation directory. This is typically found in a path like C, Program Files, Microsoft Office root, Office 16, depending on your Office version. Once located, run the scanpst.exe file. You'll need to browse and select the specific PST file you want to repair. The tool will scan the file for errors and corruption. Follow the prompts in the tool. It will guide you through creating a backup of the original file and then repairing any detected issues. This process can take several minutes for large files. Outlook 2026 introduces an AI-enhanced repair tool that revolutionizes fixing corrupted email folders. This intelligent system uses machine learning to automatically scan for corruption patterns in your PST and OST files. Unlike manual repair methods, this tool proactively detects issues and rebuilds affected folders automatically, preserving all your data. Migrating to Exchange Online moves your email data from local storage to Microsoft's cloud servers. This approach eliminates the need for large PST files that can become corrupted and cause folder expansion errors. By storing data online, you benefit from automatic backups, reliable synchronization, and access from any device anywhere. Microsoft offers specialized tools to facilitate this migration process. The PST to Cloud Migration tool helps transfer your local data without losing information, while ensuring a smooth transition to Exchange Online. Auto Archive automatically moves older items to a separate archive file, preventing your primary PST file from becoming too large. Configure Auto Archive settings in File, Options, Advanced, Auto Archive settings. First, open Outlook and go to File, Options, Advanced. Here you can see the Auto Archive Settings button highlighted. Click Auto Archive Settings to open this window. Here you can configure how often to run Auto Archive, whether to prompt before running, and how to handle old items. For individual folders, you can also set Auto Archive options in the folder properties. Choose whether to archive items and specify how old they must be. Regularly updating Outlook ensures you have the latest bug fixes and security patches that can prevent errors like the cannot expand folder issue. To check for updates, go to File, then Account, Update Options, and select Update Now. This simple step keeps your Outlook current and secure. The first step in fixing the cannot expand folder error is to close Microsoft Outlook completely. This ensures no processes are interfering with the repair process. Next, run the Inbox Repair tool, scanpst.exe, on your personal storage table file. This tool scans for and repairs corruption in PST files. You'll need to locate the tool, browse to your PST file, and run the scan to fix any detected issues. After repairing the PST file, create a new Outlook profile to avoid any remaining corruption. Then, use the Import-Export wizard to import the repaired data into this clean profile. This ensures you start with a fresh, error-free environment. Finally, check your account settings in Outlook to ensure synchronization with your email server is functioning correctly. This confirms that folders will expand properly and all data is accessible. Automation and AI are transforming how Outlook issues like the cannot expand folder error are resolved. Microsoft's Outlook Health Dashboard uses predictive analytics to identify and fix potential problems before they affect users. This AI-powered tool can automatically rebuild corrupted folders, leveraging machine learning to detect patterns that indicate upcoming issues. For example, it monitors file integrity and synchronization health continuously. The AI workflow involves sensors collecting data, pre-processing it, applying algorithms for decision-making, and integrating fixes seamlessly. Tools like Copilot assist in real-time diagnostics, making troubleshooting more efficient. By 2026, these AI enhancements are expected to resolve up to 85% of Outlook errors autonomously, shifting from reactive fixes to proactive prevention. Mobile and hybrid work environments bring new challenges to Outlook functionality. As more people work remotely, synchronization problems become increasingly common. One key consideration is VPN compatibility. Your virtual private network must be properly configured to work seamlessly with Outlook, allowing secure access to email servers. Network connection stability is crucial. Unstable connections can cause synchronization failures, making folders inaccessible. Test your connection regularly and use wired options when possible. Experts predict that AI will handle a significant portion of Outlook error fixes autonomously in the near future, shifting IT focus to user education on cloud best practices. Microsoft's senior program manager states that AI tools are making folder errors obsolete for most users through proactive diagnostics. Tech blogger Jason Heiner forecasts that AI will autonomously resolve 80% of these fixes by 2028, allowing IT teams to focus on education. Cybersecurity expert Kevin Mitnick warns about data loss risks and recommends professional services for sensitive files. This shift emphasizes cloud best practices, as shown in this infographic outlining effective cloud strategies. Cloud engineers play a crucial role in designing infrastructure and ensuring compliance, as illustrated here. In conclusion, by understanding the causes of the Outlook cannot expand folder error and implementing the suggested solutions and preventative measures, you can minimize the risk of encountering this issue and maintain a smooth email experience. Key to prevention is understanding the causes: file corruption from damaged PST or OST files, synchronization problems between local and server data, corrupted profiles or conflicting add-ins, and resource constraints like low disk space or network issues. Implement proven solutions such as using the Inbox Repair tool, the AI-enhanced repair features in Outlook 2026, compacting PST files, rebuilding the Outlook index, and migrating to Exchange Online to avoid local storage issues. Apply preventative measures including enabling auto archive to manage file sizes, avoiding oversized email attachments that can cause corruption, and keeping Outlook consistently updated to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. Through these proactive steps and embracing cloud centric approaches, you can maintain a smooth and reliable email experience, reducing the likelihood of folder expansion errors and ensuring productivity in your Outlook usage.